I'm going to tell you a story. Okay? But looking at the picture, can you tell me whose story is this? Story is about a? Whose story?
Cat.
Yeah, the story is about a cat, but not a cat, a baby cat. What is a baby cat called?
Kit.
Yeah?
Kit.
Amma?
No, the baby cat is called
Kit.
kitten.
Appu was correct. Appu said kit, but it's kitten.
Kit.
Yes? It's kitten. Okay. And can you see this? What is this? What is the kitten holding?
Fruits.
Fruits. Can you tell me which fruit is this?
I don't.
You don't know. I'll tell you. It's fig.
Fig.
Have you eaten fig?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
I don't think so. I think Appu is bluffing. Have you ever eaten fig?
Yeah.
Let me ask Amma. Amma, Appu has eaten fig?
No, Deepa, he has eaten dried fig.
Yes. You have eaten dried fig?
Deepa.
Yes.
Yesterday, man, Appu brought in the shopping mall. Man, Appu and Nacha and Daddy and Mummy. Then man, chicken brought strawberry.
You all went to shopping mall?
Yeah, and brought strawberry.
My God. I too wish I would have been there. Huh?
Strawberry is also red color like the fig.
And green color.
Yeah. Yes. But look, this is not strawberry. Which fruit is this?
It is.
You forgot. I'll help you.
Yes.
You want my help?
Yes.
You ask me.
Please.
Deepa, please tell me.
Deepa, please tell me.
Yes, you know, the name of the fruit is fig.
Fig.
Yes?
Yes.
So, shall we turn the page, Appu?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Now, what is the name of the story? The name of the story is
Bill and
Bill and the
Ring
Figs.
Figs.
Who is Bill, Appu? Who is Bill?
This cat.
Kitten.
Kitchen.
Yeah, the
Bill
name.
and the fig.
Yes. Amma, the name of the cat is?
The name of the
Sorry.
kitten is Bill.
Bill.
Okay. Now turn the page, we'll see what is happening there. Yes. What is Bill doing?
Big is thinking.
Oh, maybe what is he thinking? What do you think Bill is thinking?
He wants toys. All of toys.
Yeah, there are so many toys. And what is Bill thinking?
It's thinking what I play.
Yes, exactly, Appu. Bill is thinking, look, there are so many toys around me. And what should I play with? What will you play with?
I play with car.
Is a car? Car is there?
Car.
Yes, there's a car. So you'll play with car?
Yes.
Car is your favorite toy?
Yes.
You ask Amma, what will you play with?
What will you play with?
I'll play with the football.
Yes.
What did Amma say?
Football. Amma, we play football.
Amma will play with football?
Yes, Deepa.
Yes.
Big. And with what? Ask Deepa. With what will she play?
Deepa, what did she play?
Huh?
She play.
You ask me?
You are asking Deepa.
Deepa, what she will play?
With what will
She.
you play?
You play.
With what will I play? Let me think. There are so many toys. I'll play with the teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
My God, Deepa is going to play with the teddy bear?
Yes. I'll play with the teddy bear. Teddy bear is so cute.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So I think Appu like vehicles, no?
Yes.
So you'll play with the car. Yes. Okay, we'll see what happens next.
His name was.
No, don't read. Don't read. Just tell me. And I think he's lying down and he's playing with the ants.
No, he's looking at ants.
Yeah, he's looking. He's not playing with them. How can he play with them, no?
No.
He's so big. So he's
so big.
Okay, so he's looking at the ants. Yeah? Yeah, we'll see what happens next. Oh, no, where is he sitting?
He's sitting on the height.
He's sitting on the height.
Yeah.
But where?
Where is he sitting?
Rock.
On the rock. I think he's sitting on the top of the hill. Where is he sitting?
Copper.
Top of the
Copper. No.
top of.
What did Deepa say?
Huh? Deepa said.
Should I repeat it?
Yes.
Tell me.
Please say one again.
Yeah, okay, I'll tell you, Appu. The cat is sitting on the top of the hill.
Cat is sitting on the talking.
Top of the hill.
Hey.
Okay. And what is he looking at?
I'm shooting at sun. Sun is going to be evening.
Yeah, the sun is going to set.
Set to evening.
Yeah, it's going to be evening. And he is watching at the sunset.
Sunset.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, he's sitting on the top of the hill and he's looking at the sunset.
Sunset.
Okay? Sun is going down, so it's going to be evening.
Evening.
And after that, it will become night.
After it become night.
Yeah, okay.
9 o'clock will become night.
Yeah,
9 o'clock.
Yeah, 9 o'clock it will become night. And what will Appu do at 9 o'clock?
I will eat food and sleep.
He will eat food and sleep?
Yeah.
Okay.
Simply.
Yeah? How was it simply? Why you bluffing? Okay then. And now what is happening here? He saw something else. What did he see now?
She saw things.
Oh, look far away. You can see the fig.
Yes.
Oh my
It is
God.
yummy. He says yummy.
He's saying it's yummy. We'll see. Let me see. Yeah, it looks yummy, Appu. Isn't it?
Yes.
Look at the fig. I feel I should pluck it and eat it. You too feel like?
Yes.
Yes. And even
One thing.
I too like fig.
you want fig?
Eat.
Where? Is it an imaginary fig?
Nice.
Oh, you didn't
yummy.
give me. My mouth is watering. You didn't give me. My
Finish.
mouth is watering.
Finish.
Finish.
I had.
You have one? Where? Where is it? It was magic?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
You did some magic there?
Yes.
He's a
Oh my
magician.
God, he's plucking all the fig and giving it to me. My God, enough. There are so many figs now. Shall I eat it?
Yes.
It's yummy. Delicious.
Delicious.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Amma, how is the fig?
It's delicious.
Amma said it's delicious. And how was the fig, Appu?
It's delicious.
What?
Delicious.
Delicious.
And
Yummy.
salsa butter is delicious. And the thing is delicious.
Fig is delicious.
Butter is also delicious.
Yes.
You like butter?
Yes.
Chicken is also delicious.
Chicken is delicious.
You tell. Is it delicious?
Your favorite food is chicken, huh? Okay, then we'll see. And he is looking at the tree. Now, far away, there's a tree there, a fig tree, and there are so many figs. And what is he thinking?
He's thinking what I do.
Boy, what I'll do?
That's your idea.
You got an idea? He wanted the fig.
Yes.
He wanted to eat the fig.
Yes.
Yes, we'll see. Oh, look at him. What is he doing? What is he doing?
He's eating
Why is he licking?
because he liked the thing.
He liked the fig and I think his mouth is watery.
Mouth is watering.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Amma, your mouth
Mine
is...
too.
Yeah,
My
look
mouth
at
is
Amma.
also watering. Your mouth is watering?
Yeah.
See, look at Deepa.
My mouth is also watering, Appu. Yes.
My God.
Okay, look at his leg. He's licking. And what? Look at him. What is he doing?
He's
Thinking
thinking
how to pluck the fig.
how to pluck the fig.
Yes, Appu. You have any idea? How will he get the fig?
I got idea.
You got an idea?
I will take stick and go.
You'll take a stick.
Fig, then fig will fall down.
Yes. You'll take a stick and you'll throw and fig will fall down.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have a good aim.
Yes.
You can aim well.
Yes.
We'll see what he is doing. What Bill is doing. Oh, Bill is still thinking, Appu. He didn't get an idea. You tell him. You tell him.
What is doing?
You tell him.
Huh?
You tell him what to do. Tell him.
Then he went to.
No. Look, he's thinking what to do. How I'll pluck the fig. You tell him idea. You got an idea.
Do what I think. Then he got idea.
He didn't get an idea, Appu. You tell him. You tell Bill. You tell him.
Yeah, what I will do.
You tell him that Bill.
I will take a stick and throw the thing, then thing will fall down.
Yes, Amma. What you tell him? See, I'll tell Bill. Bill, you go, take a stick
Yeah.
and throw at the fig.
Yes.
And then all the figs will fall down.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe he listened to Amma and he will do. We'll see what he's doing. He's doing the same thing. You told
I
that.
know.
You
He
and
listened
Amma
to
told.
Amma.
You both listen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll see what he is doing. He took the stick. Bill took the stick. And what he's going to do? He's going to throw it.
Yes.
Throw the stick.
No, it's going to
Hmm.
throw
He's
the
going to throw the stick.
thing, and all the thing will fall down.
Okay, we'll see. Let me see. Turn the page. Yes. He's not throwing it, Appu.
Actually, he's short.
Yeah, he's very short and he could not.
No. Then he's thinking.
No, he could not. He's very short, so he could not reach the
He
fig.
did not reach this.
Reach the tree. Okay, then what will he do now? Look, how is he standing?
Standing like this.
Like this. On the toe.
Huh?
On the toe.
No,
Yeah, he's standing on the toe.
on the toe.
But he could not reach. Why?
Because he's very short.
Yes, he's very short. If it was Appu,
Hmm?
if it was Appu,
No, it is.
you could have reached.
I can reach.
Yeah, why?
I can reach.
Why?
Because I am 6 years old.
You're 6 years old and you're tall.
Yes.
Yes, he's very short. I think he's 3 years old.
3 years old.
Yeah.
Maybe.
That's his short.
He's 4 years old.
What?
Then 5 years old, 6 years old.
Yeah. Now he's only 3 years old.
3 years.
After that, he'll become 4 years. Then 5 years, 6 years. Yes. Not long way to go. Okay, we'll see what happens next. What
He
will
got
he do?
idea.
You got an idea?
He will take a basket.
What
then
is this? What
give
is this?
the bucket.
This is not bucket. It's a dustbin.
Dustbin, then keep, and he will try.
We'll see. My God, you have a lot of ideas. We'll see. It's a dustbin. And what will you do in the dustbin? What is the dustbin used for?
Silver or in chocolates, you keep in that.
Chocolate you will put it inside.
No, waste.
Chocolate wrapper.
Chocolate wrapper, keep that.
Then
Then,
all the waste things.
waste.
We'll put the waste in the dustbin. Okay. Then we'll see what happens next. Let me see if your idea. He's thinking the same idea what you thought, Appu. Look.
He's thinking. I will take the
I'll stand on.
bing. Then keep it there. Then he will climb. Then he will take a stick and go
Hit it. Hit the.
hit the thing. Then all the thing will fall down.
Oh my God, Appu has so many ideas. Lots of ideas. Oh, he's thinking and now he's doing.
Yeah.
He's pulling it. And where is taking?
Sticking on near the tree.
Yeah, he's pulling the dustbin. And Amma, did you see this?
Yeah, and I think the dustbin is very heavy. See, look at his face. God, it's very heavy.
heavy.
He's struggling, na, Amma?
Yes, he's struggling.
Yes.
He's struggling to pull it because it's too heavy for him.
Yeah.
And he's only 3 years old. He's not like Appu.
Huh?
Appu is 6 years old. Appu could have just hold it and pull it.
And doing like this.
Yeah, you are because you are stronger.
I'm scared.
Stronger
Is he
like?
strong?
Stronger like?
Yeah.
Stronger like who?
Chota bhi.
Yes.
Mm.
Okay. So he's pulling and he's struggling to pull. Amma said it's very heavy. We'll see what happens next.
Then
Ah, he managed to bring it near the tree.
we are the tree.
And now look, Amma.
I think he's climbing. He's trying to climb on top of the bin.
Mm.
Is it?
Then we will see something.
Then what do you think? What do you think?
I got he fell down. He busted.
No,
Bing.
no.
Uh,
He will. I think he'll climb on top of it, and then he'll hit the figs, and he'll get all
I
the
think
figs.
he will fall down.
He'll fall down. Let me
See.
think.
I don't know, Appu. I don't have an idea. Maybe, as Deepa said, he'll climb up and he will get all the fig.
Okay, let me see.
Ouch!
I fell.
My God!
I fell.
You thought you were correct,
You are correct?
Appu?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Amma, we both are wrong. Appu is correct.
Yeah.
Oh, give me a high five then. So Appu was correct. Oh, Appu is a clever boy. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, look, he fell into the dustbin upside down.
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll see. Ouch! What is inside the dustbin?
Leaf is there. Oh, mangoes there.
Mango is there?
No, here.
Banana peel.
Banana baby there.
Then orange skin. There are so many waste is there. And how is he feeling? He's feeling happy, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, she's very sad.
He's very sad. Why?
See? Not too sad.
Why is he sad, Appu?
Because she's very hungry.
He's very hungry and he's happy, na? He's inside the dustbin.
No.
No, why?
Please.
Is he happy?
No, it is not happy. She's very sad.
Why is he sad? Tell me.
Because
Why is he sad? Why is he sad?
she's very sad. I don't like all of putting very sad.
So,
So, I don't like this.
maybe it is stinking.
Yeah,
That's why.
that's why
Huh?
he's stinky. I think he will
No, Appu,
push.
Appu, listen. What will happen? Why is he feeling? Why is it stinking?
because smells stinky.
Why is it stinking?
Because orange skin is there. Banana
Waste
skin.
is there inside, na?
Yeah,
Yeah, waste will always stink.
orange skin.
Yeah. And
Then
you
I
see-
Wait. I think he will push a tree.
Huh?
Then he will fall down.
He'll push the
Then
tree.
Say,
No, I don't know, Appu. I don't know the story.
say.
I think he'll try coming out.
I'll think he somehow managed to come out, and then we'll see what happens. It's a story, no? We
Yeah,
don't know.
let's
see.
We'll see. Yes, look, I'm correct. He managed to come out.
I catch this.
I was also correct, no?
I don't say carrot.
Yeah.
You're out.
You
I was wrong.
Yeah.
But I said he'll somehow manage.
We'll see. Oh, you were right. Look what happened now. Oh, look, Amma, what happened?
Oh, the bin fell down.
Yeah.
And the dustbin hit the tree.
Hit the tree.
And
Then
what happened?
Oh, I
he
think the
fell down.
see the tree shaking.
He's shaking. Yes.
Ah. Why is it?
Then
Because the
it's
bin
fell.
hit the tree and the tree started shaking. Ah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, your feet fell.
Oh, the figs started falling. Plick, 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 plick.
Mm.
And look. How is it falling? It's falling on his head.
Yeah.
Oh, I think he's happy now. Is he happy?
Yes, see. Mouth is happy.
Huh?
Mouth is happy.
He is making a
Smiling.
smiley face.
Yes.
Okay, he's very happy, na? Look, pig is falling on his head.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, what will he do? What will he do?
Heavy.
Huh?
Eat.
He'll eat?
Yeah.
Yeah. His mouth was watering for the fig, na?
Hmm.
Yeah, you're correct, Appu. He's
Yes.
eating.
Yes. Then he's going to back home.
Going back
back
home?
home?
Look, he's still eating. He's
Eating.
eating all the fig.
Yes.
How is the fig, Appu? What do you think? How will be the fig? Is the
It
fig
is yummy.
yummy? How do you know it is yummy?
Because what is flying,
Yeah, his mouth is still watering and look, he's still licking.
eating.
Yeah, because it's so delicious.
Yeah. Then he's going home.
I know. How do you know he's going home? There's no home nearby.
Maybe he's going to play.
I think he's going to play.
Yeah.
I think he's going to take a stone and throw a bottle.
Why?
No, he's playing like this.
He's playing.
By throwing stones in the water? How do you know, Appu? Let me
Finish.
see. Let me see. Look, look at his stomach. How is his stomach now?
Stomach is full.
Yeah, your stomach is also full.
No.
No, why?
I ate choke and fish and curry.
Yeah. So your stomach is full.
Yes.
Yes, look. Bill's stomach is also full. Full of?
Full of stomach.
Full of what? Full of
Fig.
chora?
No, fig.
Figs. Full of figs. And he's very happy, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Appu is also happy?
Yes.
Did you like the story?
Yes.
Yes.